Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy, joins us now for the final trade of the day. And Mike, on the show, we've been talking about the stream scene with all the streamers out there. And as a matter of fact, that's what you're trading.
Yeah, I'm looking at Roku, ticker symbol ROKU. Given Wednesday's price action that we had Apple earnings and AMD and the virus stuff going on, so there's a lot of misdirection. The initial thought that you would have off of something like Apple with these blowout earnings is it would be completely risk on, buy whatever you can. That wasn't necessarily the case. I mean, it was bullish, and then the sellers came in, and then it found a bottom, and now it's in that trading range. So the trick is to find a stock that has that volatility but isn't acting so crazy where you get yourself stopped out of trades. And Roku is what I call, it's following my rules. It's respecting where I'm seeing support and resistance, and I'm going back and forth on this. So basically, when it gets pulled back into that 129.5 area, if you want a lot of gamma, you can trade tomorrow's options against it. I would suggest going out to the next week, buying the closest at the money, which would be the 130s. Who knows where that'll be trading? It really doesn't matter because you're buying the gamma and you're buying the delta. And then you just have to have your risk either based on support, resistance, or a drawdown or a target profit on that option.
Talk about finding the bottom in some of these stocks, because that is a very technical term.
Yeah, and it's there are conventional ways to do it. The thing is we've gone up so high so quickly in a lot of these stocks that you have people who are long these stocks, and they could really care less if they sell it up 12%, 11%, 10%. It means a lot to a trader, 2% in an underlying,
oh, sure,
but not necessarily to somebody who's been long this thing since they were kids.
While I have you here, where is the floor? Where's the bottom on Apple?
Bottom on Apple is, we've probably already seen it. I mean, I just like in any sort of pullback in Apple, if it's not based on any sort of breaking crazy news, trade stuff, if they start to play hardball or anything like that, you're going to, you buy those dips. Any sort of pullback, you buy it. Of course, you run your own stops and everything like that to manage your risk.
That's been the trick of this market, trying to buy some of these high flyers at lower levels. And some of those stocks just don't want to pull back too far because so many people want to get in on that trade, own that stock, that they're moving so quickly, it's just popping the stocks right back up.
Exactly.
Good to have you here. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.